Ladies and gentlemen, if your air conditioning is on the fritz, check the filters before calling for service.
I understand that we're gonna do some general maintenance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to beat the rain.
Yeah.
There was a concern with the master bedroom, or did that
No.
go away? How was the filter looking like?
Horrible.
The number one reason for compressor failure, which is like engine failure, is dirty filters. Okay, I'll take a quick peek outside and then I'll focus my attention inside.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Sometimes homeowners just needed to be reminded about what happens when you don't clean your filters. It's so dirty, it's having a hard time focusing. Well, at least the light fixture is dirty too. Not too shabby. Spray 9 and a Schmata. It's clean. One more. Yeah, baby. I would really love to deport the half-size filters. I've got it in there. And, oops, even got the date on it. All right, one more. Okay. Clean. 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 Put the date on there as well. Put 6/10/24 to screw with them.